Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? I wanted to get this video out last weekend, but I ran out of time, so I couldn't do a toolbox tour Saturday. Not toolbox tour. Talk Saturday. But while I'm picking things up, ready to go home, I thought I'd come on here and talk to you guys. What I wanted to talk about was impact sockets. That's what I wanted to talk to y'all about last weekend, but ran slick out of time. But I run mine for damn near everything, hence why I have nothing but impact rated sockets in this Snap-on roll cart, except these chrome sockets and these Torx sockets. Everything in this box is impacts because I use it for everything. I put them on socket wrenches, I put them on my impacts. They're great. I don't have to worry about them. If I use impact or regular socket wrench, these are my 1/2-inch drive Snap-on wobbles. These are 3/8 shallow from I forgot the brand, Astro. They're great. They get into a lot of tight spaces. Cool thing about them is they're 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive, but you can even put it in this handy dandy wrench thingy, a bobber. Yes, I know I got a tampon in here. That's my complaining tampon. Whenever people complain, I give them that tampon. This is a joke because somebody decided to give it to me. But anyway, these are actually my newest sockets. They're 3/8 drive, medium to deep magnetic. Great for doing like exhaust work when you can't get up and get the catalytic converter bolts or nuts. But I've got 1/4-inch drive right here. These are gray pneumatic. These are also gray pneumatic. These 3/8 shallows, also gray pneumatic. Everything on this is gray pneumatic. From the 1/4-inch shallow, 3/8 shallow, 3/8 deep, 1/2-inch deep, and everything on this storage tray, with the exception of the Snap-on 3212 point, is also 1/2-inch drive, gray pneumatic, and it's 3-row. So I might change the storage out on these later or keep them. I don't know yet, but I just run these impacts because you can use them for damn near everything. Even these Insiders from the new Milwaukee are impact rated, I'm pretty sure, but they don't have anything on the bottom. They just fit in the Milwaukee tool. Then these are Cornwell Blue Point 1/2 inch drive deep impact, or not 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch drive. Been a long day, but I love these for doing dash work. Once again, 1/4 inch drive, deep gray pneumatic. Then I got my Matco wobbles, impact rated. No, these are actually Cornwell Blue Point Cornwell. These are my Matcos, 1/4 inch drive, deep wobbles. And it's great because I don't have to worry about any of these sockets, for the most part, breaking. I can use them on a wrench, I can use them on battery powered or air powered tools. Don't have to worry about it. That's why I use them for damn near everything. Now these are also Matco 3/8 drive deep wobbles. They redesigned it. They redesigned these recently. I don't know if you can see that little clip in there. I have had a few of these break on me. So when I got them warranted, my dealer gave me this one. It's 13. It's the new style. So they have changed this whole set to this if you get these from Matco. But I will link all of this from the individual sockets and the storage trays of each one of these that I can find in the description box below. If you guys want to check them out, they're my affiliate codes, so using that code helps the channel grow, helps me buy more tools to review for you guys, and it will hopefully allow me to get some more content for you guys in the future. I do have plans branching out, doing some actual automotive work on personal stuff when I can, since I can't really video while I'm working, sadly, on customers' vehicles right now. But in a nutshell, these sockets right in this general area are my most used sockets. I mostly use the 1/2 inch drive, gray pneumatics, and then right in this general area is also heavily used daily. But like I said, they're a great option. They're a little more expensive than chrome, but you ain't got to worry about it. You ain't got to worry about them breaking, none of it. That's why I love running impact rated sockets for everything, because unlike chrome, these are just cheapies that we found over the years. I think these are Craftsman, but they're Taiwanese Williams company. Never heard of them. We found these over the years. This is another one that I found. Power Torque, the dreaded 10 millimeter that everybody loses. Don't know how I wound up with this one, but I did. But these are very prone to breaking, especially on impacts. So I just run an impact rated for everything, so I ain't got to worry about it. But you get what you pay for, especially when running impact stuff, especially if you're going to use it on an impact. Don't cheap out, guys. I mean, these Gray pneumatics are very mid-grade. They're mid-grade versus somebody like Snap-on, but you can't go wrong with them. For the money, you cannot go wrong with Gray pneumatic. They have a very good price point, and their lifetime, just like Snap-on. But Snap-on is very proud, and if you like Snap-on, go with Snap-on. I mean, I've got a hodgepodge of shit in here, but buy what you can afford, but I would advise not skimping out on impacts. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here, you guys. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.